I guess I'll go errand today, it's not my holiday. I stole the shirt from them, no matter what the people say. I got it from the number, I forgot to pay. I feel like he would care about it anyway. I'm home alone, I'll do just what I wanna do. I hear someone knock my door, but now I'm in the mood. My parents said that they would be returning soon. I think I hear some noises from my living room.
I'm with my bitches shaking ass for pounds in London. Ghetto cunt, front page, they ain't see it coming. I'm in that vintage Galliano, pussy stunting. I got a moody, I'ma pay that bitch just to let that hoes sneeze. I'm on the island high as fuck, counting palm trees. The only one on the mind, I need some company. All in the mall, popping tags, I'm litty as a bitch. We the palace, shaking ass. I put the city in this bitch. Let's go with the baddies, shoot the bums, nothing eating by the street. And I'm in my own lane. Don't make me step up out this bitch.
I promise you I haven't got a thing to spare. You should go up to my friend as well, this isn't fair. To carve of everything because we like to share. Am I hearing things or is that someone there?
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? The fuck is that? The step by step.
One, two.